Hi friends, in today's video we will learn how you can check the country of your audience for maybe a single video or overall videos for your channel. Before that, do check out my latest book, the YouTube Launch Playbook, which basically is meant for YouTube beginners or those who have just started with your channel and are finding the nitty-gritties of setting up your channel and growing your channel. All the answers step by step with screenshots and all the links, how you can optimize, how you can do SEO, are included in this book. Do check out, the link is in the video description. Now for checking the audience of your country, you can go to YouTube Studio, click on analytics and go to audience. Now over here you will have to scroll down. Now this is my new channel, a 2-month old channel, and you can see over here, overall 16% is from India and 4.8% is from US. Rest is not visible because that depends if they are able to track the country of the viewer, right? So you can also click on videos to understand what is your audience. So in fact 10% of my audience is from US when it comes to videos, and for shorts it's primarily 30% India, right? And this is not dependent on uh, like some of the parameters only load like when your viewers are online, when there is a returning viewership on your channel, but this is visible for everyone, right? So you can check over here and this will help you understand how you can target, in which language you should create videos so that you will get more viewership on your channel. Now going to my other channel, which is a fairly old channel, over here you can see uh, for my overall videos around. So you can play with this also, you can add different parameters over here if you want, but mostly my viewers over here are from India, and this is basically 30 days. If I do it for lifetime, I will get a view of the overall lifetime for my channel. It's calculating since it's an old channel. So you can see it's primarily India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, US, Nepal. So in fact on this channel I get views from all over the world, and that's why the CPM is also kind of mixed. But majorly for videos it's India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, mostly South Asian countries. And for shorts it's India followed by 10% of US, Germany, Brazil, Turkey. What this gives me insight is that I should create shorts more for the English audience, where I can get higher CPM. And for videos, it's primarily the Southeast Asian countries who are consuming my videos. So this is the way you can track your audience. If you want to go on a specific video and check, you can do that as well. I will do one thing. I will just go over here now. I will go to analytics, audience. Again, now over here in this video, 50% of what they are showing is the audience is Indian for this video. I will try some other video, right, which will give us an idea. Maybe someone which has, yeah. So I will do the Alaska one. I'll go to audience. Now over here, 3% is US, 1.8% is India. Most of them are not disclose their geography, but you can get an idea who is watching your video, and this is the key information for uh, drafting or creating your new videos, right? I hope this is useful, and do drop in any queries in the comment section, and I'll get back to you with the solutions. If you're liking this content, please like the video and follow our sub channel.